Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Windows, beautiful and amazing creepy stained glass. If you in the Philippines know of anyone or any location that has something like this, please let us know and contact us at the Morbid Team Entertainment page, and also on Twitter or WhatsApp on my accounts there. We would very much enjoy filming at locations such as these. And again, that's any type of bizarre or amazing stained windows, stained glass in the Philippine Islands, the wrought iron designs, anything of this. In experimental horror films through the generations, this type of architecture has always been used, and we'll definitely want to incorporate that with our horror films. So do subscribe, if you please, to the Morbid Team Entertainment YouTube channel, the Morbid Team Entertainment group, Barter, Buy and Sell, and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Bye-bye.